Hi. Good morning.
Good morning.
Are you a student?
Yes, I am.
Do you study here?
Yes, every day.
What do you study?
I study English.
Do you like English?
Yes, very much.
Is English hard?
A little, yes.
Do you read books?
Yes, many books.
What book is that?
It is a textbook.
Is it interesting?
Yes, very interesting.
Do you come here daily?
Yes, I do.
Is the library quiet?
Yes, very quiet.
Do you like it here?
Yes, I love it.
Are you busy now?
No, not really.
Can we talk?
Sure, let's talk.
What is your name?
My name is Ben.
Nice to meet you, Ben.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I am from here.
Do you study alone?
Yes, mostly alone.
Do you have homework?
Yes, a lot.
Is it difficult?
Sometimes, yes.
Do you need help?
No, I am okay.
How long do you study?
About 2 hours?
Do you take breaks?
Yes, short ones.
Do you drink water?
Yes, always.
Do you eat here?
No, not allowed.
Do you sit here often?
Yes, near the window.
Is the light good?
Yes, perfect here.
Do you use a dictionary?
Yes, all the time.
English or bilingual?
Both, actually.
Do you write notes?
Yes, many notes.
Do you review them?
Yes, every evening.
Do you listen to English?
Yes, songs and podcasts.
Do you watch English TV?
Yes, with subtitles.
Does it help?
Yes, a lot.
Do you speak English often?
Not enough, sadly.
Do you want to practice?
Yes, please.
Shall we speak now?
Yes, let's try.
Are you nervous?
A little bit.
Don't worry, it's okay.
Thank you, that helps.
Do you have a teacher?
Yes, a great one.
Do you like your teacher?
Yes, very much.
Is the class big?
No, only 10 students.
Is that good?
Yes, more attention.
Do you do homework daily?
Yes, every night.
How long does it take?
About 1 hour.
Is grammar hard for you?
Yes, sometimes.
What about vocabulary?
That is easier.
Do you memorize words?
Yes, with flashcards.
That is a smart way.
Yes, it really works.
Do you have many books?
Yes, a full shelf.
Do you borrow from here?
Yes, 1 per week.
Is that enough?
Yes, for now.
Do you have a favorite book?
Yes, an English novel.
What is it about?
It is about travel.
Sounds interesting.
Yes, I recommend it.
Do you want to travel?
Yes, to many places.
Where first?
London or New York.
English will help there.
Yes, that is why.
Do you have a notebook?
Yes, a big one.
Do you write every day?
Yes, new words.
How many words daily?
About 10 words.
Do you forget them?
Sometimes.
Do you review old words?
Yes, on weekends.
Is that helpful?
Yes, very helpful.
Do you use apps?
Yes, language apps.
Which app do you use?
A vocabulary app.
Is it free?
Yes, it is free.
Do you study in the morning?
Yes, early morning.
Are you a morning person?
Yes, I am.
What time do you wake up?
At 6 o'clock.
That is very early.
Yes, but I like it.
Do you exercise too?
Yes, before studying.
Does that help focus?
Yes, very much.
Do you have classmates?
Yes, 9 classmates.
Are they friendly?
Yes, very friendly.
Do you study together?
Sometimes, yes,
Is group study good?
it is fun.
Do you help each other?
Yes, all the time.
Do you have a study plan?
Yes, a weekly plan.
Do you follow it?
Yes, mostly yes.
Is it working?
Yes, I am improving.
Do you feel confident?
Getting more confident.
That is great progress.
Thank you so much.
Do you have exams soon?
Yes, next month.
Are you ready?
Almost ready. Yes.
Are you nervous about it?
A little nervous.
That is normal.
Yes, I know.
Will you pass?
Yes, I will try.
I believe in you.
Thank you, really.
Do you like this library?
Yes, it is perfect.
Is it always this quiet?
Yes, always quiet.
Do you recommend it?
Yes, come anytime.
Is it open on weekends?
Yes, on Saturdays.
What about Sundays?
No, it is closed.
That is good to know.
Yes, come on Saturday.
Do you know the librarian?
Yes, she is kind.
Is she helpful?
Yes, very helpful.
Can she find any book?
Yes, she always can.
Will you come tomorrow?
Yes, same time.
Shall we study together?
Yes, great idea.
I will bring my books.
I will bring mine too.
See you tomorrow then.
Yes, see you.
Good luck today.
Thank you, you too.
Keep studying English.
I will, every day.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Take care.